So, Mr. Raj, tell me about the difference between the education in India when you compare it to Europe. How is it different? What are the benefits and why do people go and study in Europe?
When you think about the education system in Europe, you have to definitely differentiate it with the Indian education system.
Okay.
When it comes to Indian educational system, it's completely theories and classroom studies.
Nice.
Most of the time a student is spending on the theoretical part.
Yes.
But when it comes to the European educational system, 90% of his total study during the course, it's completely dedicated for practical oriented studies.
Okay.
And he's spending only 10% of his studies for theoretical purpose.
Definitely.
So basically European education system follows a two system called PBL as well as CBL.
Okay.
It's called problem based learning and challenge based learning.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, and also the students are divided into small groups.
Okay.
Being in this group, a professor is knowing the student from the beginning till the end of his studies.
So they have a one-to-one kind of studying facility.
The professors are highly qualified and experts in those field.
Definitely.
Yeah, and the students are getting opportunity to select extra courses, extra subjects. There are selectives from where the students can choose certain subjects and can specialize in that.
Okay.
So in this way, the Indian educational system is completely different from the European educational system.
This helps also to groom the child and make them more exposed to international standards and developing their skills, I guess.
Absolutely.
The natural skills and the creativity also comes out, I think so.
Yeah, because the students are getting a real life situation. That's
Okay.
the whole point.
All right.
That is why even the employers are interested in hiring students who are passing out from these universities.
Okay, but what about the fee structure when you compare it to India as well as when you compare to Europe?
See, again, why European education is standing apart is because if you go through the Human Development Index, which decides a country's ranking based on his life expectancy, education, health, all these factors decide whether a country is a developing country or a developed country or an underdeveloped country.
Okay.
In that, of course, that India is 136 out of 195 countries.
Definitely
So
is.
which means that unemployment rates are high in India, but
Yes.
when it comes to European Union, unemployment rates are less. For example, you take Czech Republic,
Yes.
only 2% of the total population are unemployed, which means there are huge opportunities for young professionals.
Also because I guess because of all the various industries which are existing in Europe, that also gives an edge, I guess.
Absolutely.
Right?
And also, if you go to the Environmental Protection Index, which decides a country's environment, like how
Pollution.
much the society is contributing to the pollution, or
Yes.
how the sustainable development or sustainable model works.
Okay.
In that, European universities or European countries are actually standing in higher position compared to English speaking countries. To your surprise, Slovenia, it's a Central European country,
Okay.
is considered as the best when it comes to environment protection.
Also, I guess another point that is very important is the security and safety.
Yes,
You know?
I'm again coming to the point. If you take the Gini index
Yes.
and Gini ratio, where it classifies between the rich and poor.
Yes.
I mean, it balances the inequality in the society.
Yeah.
Because of the inequality, there are chances of high discrimination and racism. You will not hear such discrimination or such racism when it comes to European Union. But you might have heard about many other countries which had shown such partiality and discrimination towards
Yes.
Indian students.
Definitely.
But none of them have reported from European Union.
Not only in outside but also in India, there's a lot of variation, like there's a caste system and so many things, factors that shows that racial discrimination. And this is what I've heard, that children will improve and they'll also develop. It gives them the confidence
Yes.
to study in Europe.
Yeah.
I think that is a very, very important factor that
Yeah.
we need to emphasize on studying in Europe.
Yeah, that is the simple reason why we are supporting students to get their admission in top ranking university. So we Europe Study Center, we are dedicating completely all our resources to help students reach their destiny.
Yes.
And as I mentioned, all these reasons states the fact that European Union universities are number one when it comes to education.
Yes. and the quality of education is not compromised
Absolutely.
with the lecturers, with the
Absolutely.
professors
Yeah.
also is very, very experienced, I think. Like what happens in India, like what we find is that when they finish their graduation and they start teaching, but whereas in Europe, I think they have more experience, and that gives a lot of value for students studying in Europe.